Okay, today we got a furnace won't stay lit. The pot light won't stay lit. So usually it's the thermocouple that goes bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this thermocouple in this old boiler system for a gas furnace. Gas hot water heaters, gas furnaces, they all use thermocouples. Thermocouples, what they do is they put off a thing to control the temperature. After a certain amount of time, what they do is they break, the metal corrodes, whatever. But it lasts up to 10 years or something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it and see if it works, and it should stay lit, the thermocouple. The actual pot light should stay lit. Let's go ahead. Right down here it is. We actually took, here's the pot light line right here. But in order to do it, we had to take that out. Let's go ahead and get this off here. Go ahead and pause it. Alright, now what we did was, I just took this here. Well, scissors out of the way. This comes out of here, then screw that. This here is like a little bracket, kind of snap that off there. Here's a thermocouple. This is how long it is. And right here, if you look at it, it looks like it's broke off. That thing's old as can be. This is probably 15, 20 years old. But this is how long we need it to be. So, guess we'll look for one about that size. How many inches do you think this is? 24?
Probably about
32?
Probably 32.
Probably 32. Well, let's go to the store. Peace. Hey, what's up? We are back here. Here we go. We're Ace. Those are thermocouples. It's over here in the gas and, well, hot water heater section, whatever section it is. But replacement for pilot light, for furnaces, hot water heaters, room heaters, space heaters, blah, blah, blah. We figure it's about 36 inches. There's our piece. And it's $13.59 over here at Ace. Let's go back to the job. Hey, we're back to the furnace. Let's get this part up in there. Ooh, yeah. Oh, let's get this part on there. This go on there. Try to get on like this, huh? Try to get it on there. I don't know how this really goes on there, but I'm just going to guesstimate here. What is that? What we normally do? Guess on stuff? There it is. Looks pretty good to me. Should have some sandpaper to clean that off with, but we don't.
You got a wire brush?
I don't think we do we? Look at this tool bag, guys. Is that this tool bag? I don't think we got one in here. But it doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure that's irrelevant. Facts. Check the statistics. Alright, now let's go ahead and put that down in there first. Try to get this back down in there without breaking this line here. Okay, hopefully the video don't get boring right here at this point. Remember, this is the gas line here, so you gotta be careful with it, huh?
Yeah.
Let's pause it and then we'll show them after we get it up here. Good? Alright, let's put it back down here. Can you get over here and let's see? See, this screw's on there. A lot of times what it is, you have a little Phillips screw and you can't really get in there, so I usually take for hot water heaters. Let's see, where's my little tiny screwdriver? A lot of times, you see this right here? For hot water heaters, you can't really get your hand in there and a screwdriver, so you gotta use one of these to get it off. That's the reason why I always have one of these with me when I'm changing thermocouples. Okay, now down here, if you see right here, there's two screws right there. What it is, we'll put them in there. And go ahead and pause it again. Is it back on?
Go ahead.
Tell me when you're good.
Good.
Alright, now you see that down there?
Mm-hmm.
We got one screw in there right now. We'll get the oil in here in a minute, but I'm going to show you what's up here. Now this here, see this line here, now we just need to flex this out a little bit. I'll try to manhandle it in position here. That's bendable. Now this here is bendable too. Let's go ahead and go like this with it. Let's go ahead and get it going right here. Boom. We'll get this in there. Am I going the wrong way?
Should be going towards you to tighten it in.
It's towards me, he says. Oh yeah, there it comes. Almost there. Keep going, keep going. And that's what we always say, because we do the job right. As long as it keeps lit, that's all that matters. I'm not no pro, I'm no plumber, I'm no heating HVAC guy or whatever the heck they say. You don't have to be to do this little small stuff. Save yourself some money, do it yourself. That's what I always say. But let's go ahead and try to light it then, right now. I'm gonna turn it over to pilot. Right there, right? He said it wouldn't stay lit. Let's see if we fix the problem. Now remember, you always gotta hold this down for like 5 or 10 seconds before you switch it back to on. It's a huge flame down there though, isn't it? Looks like a pretty good one to me. Remember, hold that down for a minute. Let's see if it stays on. Boom, stayed on. Now, turn it over to on. Boom. Let's check out the flow of it. Let's see that flame. Oh yeah, you like that flame? Anyway, alright people, now that's a pretty easy fix. There's always different fixes on everything, but just remember to like and subscribe to this video, and you can always check out other DIYs, do it yourselves, yeah, or DUIs, whatever it is. But as I get problems, people call me, I will plug them into YouTube. Peace. Say later, Vader.
Later.